Sometimes we use screenshots in our Word documents, and those need a little bit of attention, just as they do in PowerPoint. In this case, we have one here, and you have to explain what is on the image because screen readers can't read all of this text. Someone who can see this can read the words on it, but if you can't use your vision, the screen reader doesn't know what to say. It only will read you what the alt text says. So for this one, what we would do is write a description of what's going on here. If you look at this, it's in Latin, it's just placeholder text. I didn't have something at the ready, so I just created this to show you. But here we would explain that this image is showing diversity in children's books for 2018, and the folks had gone ahead and looked at what the percentage of ethnicity the main characters in the children's books were, and they explain how they find their list, and then there's a reference here for this. Well, there's a lot going on this slide, and it's not going to fit in the alt text, is it? There's so much happening. What we do is make sure that we've either add a caption that explains all of the information being portrayed, or we pull it from the main text. When we do that, watch, we go to Edit Alt Text, and in this case, we say Visual Depiction of the Main Text. This is the main text here. And when screen readers come through, they will do the text, they'll read all of that, then it'll bump to the image and it'll tell them, okay, this is an image and it's a visual depiction of what you just read. And that's all you need to do. An alternative, if it isn't quite so complicated, would be to just add a caption that might say the same thing, might review it. But the problem is, if we have a screenshot, any text that appears in that screenshot has to be available in some form. So that's why we have to do a main text description or a caption.